just to be clear, this was completely unexpected. Yes, I straight piped my car. Yes, it was only temporary. Don't worry, it's back to normal. I wasn't gonna be running that setup permanently because I did not like the way it sounded. If you guys have followed me for some time, you guys will know that I used to have a muffler delete with catless downpipes on the car. Currently, it's just catless downpipes with the stock exhaust. What Tyler did was basically unbolt the exhaust on my car from the downpipe back, but I have catless downpipes, so it basically dumped all the exhaust under the seat, under the driver and passenger seat, and it was ridiculously loud. I don't really think it sounded that good personally. It sounded too raspy, too many vibrations, and kind of just weird sounds going on. It didn't sound clean, and that really bugged me. But nevertheless, it was a ton of fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let's get into it. Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready. Tap it a little bit.
Oh yeah, there's no drone. No drone whatsoever.
Oh god. Yeah, neighbors love me, dude. It sounds like we're hauling ass. We're going 25 at like 2,500 RPM.
With the straight pipe setup, like, it's honestly, it feels slower. Like, I mean, not by a ton, but like, it just feels like there's less response. Like, I don't know, like, it's weird, you know?
Can't help smiling, it just happens.
Yeah, man, I missed that sound. I didn't think it was gonna be that loud either, so it's like, not even on the gas. I completely straightened my BMW 335i. What are my thoughts? It's freaking loud. What do you think, Tyler? It's not as loud as your FRS when you straight piped it, but it is also turbocharged, so that might be why.
It's pretty damn.
Okay, impressions wise, obviously I'm not gonna run this exhaust setup like ever, because there's, you guys, I don't know if you can hear that rattling in the interior, but it is so damn loud.
Something back there.
Yeah, there's something back there. But basically, it is open from the turbo back. There's two catless downpipes on there and nothing else. No secondary cats, no mufflers, no resonators, no piping. Nothing. Like, the exhaust right now is currently like under the driver's seat, and the pops, you can literally feel them in your seat. Like, you can feel the vibrations coming through the car, like, every time I downshift. Oh, that's freaking insane. Oh my
gosh, it's intoxicating.
I just miss having my car really obnoxiously loud, but at the same time, like, I don't miss it. It's really weird. There's some burbles for you. I'm on the medium setting for burbles, by the way, you guys. All the coins in my...
We're just pissing everybody off.
Literally everybody, dude.
It's nice and quiet. Calm before the storm. So nice and peaceful out. It's a beautiful sunny day in this nice neighborhood. Nice, calm, quiet road. And you got Omar over here, fucking it all up. Oh, what's that off in the distance? Is that a raspy ass N54? Jesus fucking Christ. Zero drop. Just tap the pedal, there you go. Yeah, no, this thing hauls ass.
Yeah.
Temperature makes a huge difference.
What's that? Yeah, the cooler weather, huh? Alright, gents, so it's pretty dark and you guys probably can't see me, but we're about to hit a pretty long tunnel on an on-ramp. So this should be fun. Commence the downshifts.
In Mexico, by the way.
In Mexico.
Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope.